Light-emitting diodes, or LEDs, are everywhere. They light our homes, our phones, and our TVs. LEDs are small, efficient, and come in a variety of colors, making them perfect for many projects. An LED circuit is simple. It's a loop that allows electricity to flow from a power source through the LED and back again. This flow of electricity makes the LED light up. Learning to build LED circuits opens up a world of possibilities. You can create your own lights, indicators, and even decorations. Let's gather our materials and build a simple LED circuit. Before we start building, we need a few things. Don't worry, these materials are easy to find online or at an electronics store. First, an LED. This is our light source. Choose any color you like. Next, a battery. We will use a 9-volt battery to power our circuit. Then, a resistor. This controls the flow of electricity to protect the LED. A 220 ohm resistor will work well. We also need wires. We will use these to connect the components of our circuit. Lastly, a breadboard. This is optional but makes building and experimenting with circuits easier. Now that we have everything, let's start building. Building an LED circuit is easy. Just follow these simple steps. First, identify the LED legs. The LED has 2 legs, one longer than the other. The longer leg is positive, the shorter one is negative. Next, connect the resistor. Connect one leg of the resistor to the positive leg of the LED. Then, connect to the battery. Connect the other end of the resistor to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect the negative leg of the LED to the negative terminal of the battery. Now, observe, your LED should light up. If not, double-check your connections. Congratulations, you've built your first LED circuit. While working with electronics, it is important to be safe. Always use low-voltage batteries and avoid touching the circuit while it's powered on. Learning about LEDs opens up a world of possibilities. Experiment with different colored LEDs, add more LEDs to your circuit, or control the brightness with different resistors. By understanding the basics, you can create amazing things with LEDs.